whole baked chicken Jamaican style. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, set your notification bell. Don't forget to give the video a like. My name is Shelly, and in today's video I'll be doing some oven style baked chicken, but I'll be doing a whole baked chicken. Grabbed some green seasonings that I could find at home and I blended them. This is optional, but I love to do it this way. My chicken came out so juicy, tender, and delicious. Make sure you give your chicken a bath. Bathe your chicken, clean out the inside. Pause the video, my ingredients are on the screen. And because I'm Jamaican, I did use a little jerk. All the seasonings I use, I list them twice in this video. Make sure to go under your bird's skin, especially the breast area, to season under there. Make sure it's clean, pat dry, no slime under there. Season your bird. Chicken or any type of meat, it must be cleaned. Rub my seasonings on. Feel free to add all to yours because I'll be adding my green seasoning. I just continued to season my bird. Look at my bird, how sexy she looks. Season your chicken. I did this to marinate overnight. Added a little jerk and my green seasoning. Added all my seasonings on the screen. Season, cover overnight. See why I didn't add any oil. And I'll be using butter. I don't want too much fat in it, and the chicken itself already has the skin on. Seasoned my bird, covered overnight, left to marinate. Take a look. Inside is clean. Make sure there's nothing in the cavity. Or you can leave this for a few hours. This whole chicken took 1 hour, 20 minutes to bake at 350 degrees. The next day I just removed my chicken. I left the juice because I want to use it to make the gravy. Stuff some butter under the fat, the skin where the breast is. You want a moist chicken breast, and I did not cover this. Added butter, little green seasoning, the leftover chicken seasoning, some chili flakes, chicken broth, a little Cajun honey sauce with a little spice, a little sugar, a little dash of vinegar. I did not use any flour. I added a little ketchup. Once this balls get thick, this is what I'll be using to baste my chicken. Now, 30 minutes in, I started to remove the juice and use it to add back to the chicken with a little of my sauce on the side, and this sauce is delicious. If you're trying this recipe, whatever you can't find, then you can leave it out. What you want is a well-seasoned and marinated chicken. I'm Jamaican, and in order for flavor and taste to be infused in, especially my cooking, I love to season my meat a few hours or even a day before. Look at my bird. This is 1 hour in, and here I am just drizzling the juice on top of the chicken. Still left this uncovered. Adding more sauce on this because I'll be adding for another 30 minutes. Make sure you run a fork, especially in the breast area, to make sure your chicken breast is cooked. You don't want to overcook your chicken to dry it out. And I added this chicken on the top rack in my oven. Ready to add back to my oven. Finally, once it was added back, this is what my finished oven style whole baked chicken looks like. Now, when I cut into this, listen, the flavor, the aroma, the smell coming from the chicken, I am so sorry you weren't here to get some. My chicken was 100 out of 100. The flavor, the taste, the marinade, the sauce that I made to glaze this chicken, it was delicious. Please check out my chicken playlist. If you haven't started following me, what are you waiting on? I prepare meals over here. Home cooked meals are the best. About to cut into my chicken, and I serve this up with some pigeon peas, known in Jamaica as green gungo. Pigeon peas I made on the side, and a little green beans. Did not really feel for a lot of vegetable. Quick and easy. You can have baked chicken with anything. Mashed potato. You could also stuff yours. It's not roasted, it's baked for me as much as it went in the oven. You can stuff yours. I didn't want to stuff mine. Look at my meat. Well done. It was not dried out. And listen, the taste, I was licking my fingers. Look at my chicken. The color is everything for me. Yes, I made a little roast beef on the side. Stay tuned and wait for that pot roast beef with some carrots and some potatoes. If you've made it this far, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, set that notification bell, and support your girl. It is free of cost, giving you ideas for the Christmas holidays. See you soon in another video.